Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a wire transfer using Chase Online Banking. First, sign in to your Chase account on the website or mobile app. Next, go to Pay and Transfer and select Wires and Global Transfers. If this is your first time, follow the prompts to enroll in wire transfers. Once enrolled, click Add a recipient. Enter the recipient's bank details, including their name, address, routing number, or SWIFT or BIC code, then enter the amount you want to send. Before confirming, double-check all the information to make sure it's correct. Finally, click Send Wire to complete your transfer. And that's it! You've successfully sent a wire transfer with Chase Online Banking. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.